asuntokehittiö Rantapuisto.
Today is the 21st of September 2022. We just built this staircase just in case. Was it Meripuistotie?
Yeah.
Sjöalleen, one staircase C. It's in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, it's Finland. I have of course published the staircase A before. I probably wanted the staircase B also, but I'm not sure, so we will try to get them also. I think about these papers of the photographs. Also very beautiful. Kone, built in 1939, revised in 1999 with neon features. Turned 80 years old in 2019, and the first time 20 years old. 25 floors, red light. It will be inspected this year in 2022. This has two lights.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can present this modernized 2864.
Inspected by QA and maintained by Lauttasaari scripts.
Should have been maintained by Kone.
Yeah.
It's still beautiful.
Yeah.
I really like this essential thing too. It's very cozy.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. You can watch the staircase A here, and let's see if we're gonna be able to get the staircase B now, just in case.
Yeah.
We'll take a view of this. There you see.
That's